What's up, guys? So in the kitchen, Suzy Homemaker, we're gonna start putting up a video for you guys. Start out a couple times a month, and then we'll progress. She's gonna go over what she makes, nice home-cooked meal. She's making a chicken dish tonight. You guys can take this and start using these ideas for your feast. It's always delicious. She always makes sure that I'm well-fed and the kids are well-fed. So stay tuned for the, what are we having?
Chicken Caprese salad.
Chicken Caprese salad.
All right, hey everyone. I am Devin, AKA Suzy Homemaker. And here we are in our kitchen Friday night. And I'm making a healthy, quick is the key word, dinner. Because Friday nights in our house are all about family nights. We like to play games, we like to wrestle, we like to watch a movie. So the least amount of time I can spend in the kitchen is perfect. So then that way we can gather around the table and we can move along. I also like to try to limit how many dishes I use. So then that way cleanup is also quick. So tonight we're making a chicken caprese salad. So here I am cutting up the chicken and I'll season that, get that cooking soon. And then while it's cooking, I'm gonna cut up the tomatoes, the cucumbers, I'll rinse the lettuce. I went super easy, I already got the mozzarella balls. And then it uses a little bit of balsamic and then mostly balsamic vinegar as dressing, as the topping of the salad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue cutting, keep moving. But I always love to have a little buddy with me. So Emma is my buddy. She doesn't do a lot of cooking with me, but she keeps me company. And when it comes to baking, she loves being my little sidekick. Right, Emma? Emma took a little nap, so she's feeling a little tired. Are you tired? Emma's she's getting camera shy over here. All right, so the chicken is all cut up. So now we're gonna cook it up. So I'm gonna turn the stove on low. I'm gonna use some olive oil to heat the skillet. While that's heating up, I'm gonna salt and pepper our chicken. How cute are these? We got these in Jamaica on vacation. I thought they were just so cute with the little tops. When we first got it though, Kyle was like, I don't know how to use this thing. And he was like over salting everything. And then he's like, wait a minute, this is a dream come true for the Panda Man. He loves his salt. Yeah, Emma. Oh, Emma, did you want to do some? You want to do the pepper? Come here. You know how to do it. I know, that's what I'm saying. It's a big spoon. So spread it all around. Good. That was a lot of pepper right there. Can you spread more like all over? Yeah, there you go. That's a lot of pepper in one spot. You gotta spread it around. Watch mommy. Watch, go like this. I'm ready to watch. I kind of shake it. Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Okay. Go right there. I hope we like our chicken. Peppery, over here. Okay, close it up. Close it up. All right.
No, not yet.
Yeah, right this quarter. Look, right there. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So we're gonna have a lot of pepper on this chicken, but I think it's gonna be good. I like just to make sure that both sides have their salt and pepper, right? Mommy keeps washing her hands. That's always our big rule. Oh, I missed a little piece right there. I'm gonna fix that. All right, and then we're gonna put it in the pan. No, it's okay, baby. I missed a piece with cutting. The balsamic salad dressing. I got this Skinnygirl one because when you make the salad, you actually don't even use any salad dressing. Most of the salad dressing is on the chicken when it's cooked. So I'm gonna just give this a good toss. Let that start cooking.
Not potatoes.
Not potatoes. What? What are you talking about? What is this? Chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook up. While that's cooking, I am going to move along. So I'm gonna get the chicken cutting board out of here. Okay. All right, Emma, go ahead. So Emma, you gotta tell the camera, what do we do with the end?
Feed it to the chicken.
We feed it to the chickens. So we like always have a chicken bowl when we're cooking, except we wouldn't do any of the chicken scraps to the chickens because that's no good. Put it in for the chickens. Okay, and then keep cutting it up, baby. Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh no! Cucumber down and it went right by Daxie's tushy. All right, keep cutting. Oh, I'm gonna cut them a little. You could probably get 2 out of this one, babe. Yeah. No, so hold it up like this with 2 fingers. Yeah, and then go ahead and cut. Okay, so sometimes I pick and choose, right? If I wanna like go with the meal.
I'm done. I got this.
Perfect. I won't necessarily tag this in, but like I said, Friday nights are family nights, and this is part of the family night, right? Being able to get her involved. Good job. And having her a part of it. So this to me,
Is this a little bit?
no, I think that's perfect because we're gonna eat it. So I don't know. I think that's good. Ah, that's perfect. So keep going with that. Oh, the other thing that I bought from Amazon for her, which is awesome, is knives. You can just eat that piece. Just eat that piece. I bought her knives that will legit cut food without cutting her fingers. So that's an awesome thing to have as well. So they're plastic, but they're serrated here, and they'll cut the produce. They'll cut through. The only thing that she has a tough time cutting through is potatoes with these, but it's nice because then you don't have to worry about them cutting themselves, which is good. All right, Emma, you keep working. I'm gonna mix up the chicken. That's okay. Feel free to eat it, babe. Eat any of the small pieces. All right, while you're going, I'm gonna clean up the cutting board so I can start cutting tomatoes while you're cutting the cucumbers. Oh, Emma, I got a question for you.
What?
What can you turn a cucumber into? Do you remember we did this at camp? What can you turn a cucumber into? You get a jar, you slice up the cucumbers. What can you turn them into?
I forget the name of it.
Starts with a P. Pa, pa, pa. Do you remember? Pa, pe, eh, pe. You don't remember when we did it at camp?
No.
Pickles. Right? You can turn cucumbers into pickles.
Oh yeah, I remember.
You remember? They were yummy.
I had some as well.
Yeah, you did. Well, we made a bunch of jars, right?
Mom, look, it's like a stump at camp.
It does look like it. Chicken's still cooking. It's just about done. So Emma's working hard on her cucumbers. Tomatoes are ready to rock and roll. I just was rinsing out the lettuce. So I've got that ready to go. I'm gonna start putting together the salad. So I got our salad bowl here. So I'm gonna be putting the lettuce, adding everything in, and then the chicken basically goes on top, and then we'll be able to sit down and have our meal. So as I rinsed, I kind of already cut it all, so it's ready to rock and roll. I grabbed a butter lettuce, but you can use whatever lettuce catches your eye, whatever you want to do. This is the one that I chose for tonight, just because, again, it just caught my eye and looked good. So any kind of lettuce, you could do spinach, romaine, whatever you're in the mood for. I hope everybody is going to be hungry. And then, Emma, I am going to put your yummy cucumbers right on top of here. Ready?
I'm gonna put them on.
Oh, you got it. Ready? Hold on, let me shift. Whoop. All right, go ahead, put them on top. Go ahead. Whoa, sprinkle. Look at that pop of red. Good, keep going. Got the mozzarella's. I didn't know what kind of mozzarella to get. And then I saw this at Costco and I was like, extra easy and already seasoned. So this is perfect.
Off, Mommy.
What do you guys do with the extra oil in here?
Mommy, I cut this off. Where's the chicken bowl?
Drink it? Actually, just kidding.
Mommy, I'm gonna
You
cut.
probably put it on salad. No?
That's what I'm wondering, right?
Is it
Oh my
actual,
god.
I don't know what it is, to be honest. But it's funny, it went,
Actually, olive oil, you think?
says, infused dipping oil. So I guess maybe with bread. I can't tell, do we need to do more cucumbers?
Chicken bowl, please.
I'm gonna do a little more cucumbers. Okay, so then that's good for a bit, and then we'll just do a video with the chicken adding on it. See, look. Now this goes in for the chickens, but now ready, watch this. Go like this. 3 for the price of 1. Oh my goodness.
Can I please try?
Here, right here. Go ahead. Wow! And then we're gonna do one
I
more.
got it.
Well, now it's kind of tricky, but
I can't get it.
I know, it's tough. Here,
Dumb.
I think we just gotta cut this one, and then it's good.
I'll sprinkle
Is that good? Sprinkle them on. Whoop, look at that salad. Mwah. Here's the finished product. Chicken caprese salad. So the chicken, mozzarella, tomatoes, cucumber, and lettuce. But I should have used a bigger bowl. So next time, I gotta do a bigger bowl.
Muffin.
Oh, the muffins are still in the oven, honey. Absolutely. We'll start with our fruit first.
Mommy,
And then from there, this is gonna be our course. And you look, it's got such a good balance of a lot of things right from the ground. And then a nice, healthy, organic chicken.
Mommy,
Yeah.
the cheese is so good.
Oh, I know, it's so good.